How to view the replies on thread. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to view the replies that is on thread, it is quite simple. First of all, you just have to open your thread application and log in. Once you have done so, you will land to this page, which is the home page consisting of different posts. To view the replies in any of the posts, you just have to tap on the post and it will open its detailed view. Scroll down a bit and you can view all the replies to that post. Additionally, you can also view the activities. Likewise, if you click on this heart icon, then you will land to your activity page. From here, go to replies and you can see your replies or the post to your replies easily. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.